Today I am going to deal with the topic trigonometry. Now, before I go on to explain the concepts of trigonometry, I would like you to just look at the word trigonometry because it has been derived from a Greek word which will make it easier for you to understand what exactly is trigonometry. Tri is derived from the Greek word 3. Gon is derived from the Greek word. Gon is a Greek word itself which mentions sides, and metry is from metron, a Greek word which means measurements. So basically, trigonometry is the science which deals with the relationship of sides and angles in a triangle. Because Pythagoras, if you've noticed, he has given us the relationship of sides, like you have your hypotenuse, base and perpendicular. But in trigonometry, we have an advantage of using both the angles and the sides. Now, this is vastly used in measurements of heights, when you have a topic called heights and distances in trigonometry, where we use that concept. Yeah, like for example, if this is your right angle triangle. Now, this is your base, this is your perpendicular, and this is the hypotenuse. So, the angle involved here is theta, as you can see. So, based on this, we have a few, like you can see here, you have 6 trigonometrical ratios. A very important thing to notice, suppose the angle, just look at the board very carefully. Suppose I say that the theta is here. Theta means the necessary angle that is to be taken. If your theta is here, then I would ask you, which is the base? For you, it would look like this is your base. No. Trigonometry, this is not your base. Your base should always have 2 angles. That is, the given angle and the right angle. So, immediately this becomes base. Yes. And this becomes your perpendicular. I hope you got this. In other words, your base should always have 2 angles, the given right angle and the given angle. Done. Now for convenience sake, I am going to go back to the original figure so it will be easier for you to understand the rest of the facts that I am going to explain. So we will bring this back here. So let the given angle be theta, which is here. So obviously this is my base and this becomes my perpendicular. All this while hypotenuse remain the same. Now coming back to this trigonometry, the trigonometrical ratios that I just mentioned, they are called sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, cosecant. You can see it here. In short form, we write this as sine theta. Please don't say sin theta. Yes, because many students I know keep saying that sin theta, don't. Pronounce it as sine theta. This is your cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, cosecant theta or cosec theta. Since sine theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, it's a ratio, perpendicular by hypotenuse. Cos theta, base by hypotenuse. Tan is perpendicular by base. Cot, secant, cosecant. You can see the way, the order that it goes. These are called trigonometrical ratios, and hence they have no units because it's a ratio. Now, the relationships that you have regarding these, the first one is called the reciprocal relationship. You do not have to memorize it, just watch carefully how I am trying to relate them. Just look at the board very carefully. Sine theta, I am talking about reciprocal relationship. Sine theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta. Cos theta is equal to 1 by secant theta. I think by now you got the picture. So tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. Done. Similarly, cot theta is equal to 1 by tan. Go the reverse way. Secant theta is equal to 1 by cos. Cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sine. So those are called your reciprocal relationships. Then we go on to quotient relationships. What's this quotient relation? That's nothing but tan theta, look once again very carefully, tan theta is equal to sine by cos theta. Then cot theta is equal to just the reverse of it, cos theta by sin theta. You need these as of now. Yes. And the third one are called the squares, the square relationship. That's again very interesting. You do not have to break your head over it. Just look at the board and the way and you just follow the way I'm going along, right? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. That's your first square relationship. Second is tan square theta. In place of cot, please take it as 1. Tan square theta plus 1 is equal to secant square theta. So that's your second relationship. Then cot square theta plus 1 is equal to cosecant square theta. With this you have your 3 root formulas. With this you can derive the others. So this way there's no much work on your brain. Yeah, you don't have to sit and mug all this or write it 100 times or 50 times, not necessary. Just remember once again, square relationship. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Tan square theta plus 1 is equal to secant square theta. Cot square theta plus 1 is equal to cosecant square theta. So these are all about the formulas that you need to know. And with this, I close this chapter. Thank you for watching.